Do you want to go in or?
No, I'm not here.
No
Right.
way,
I'll walk in with
Lucifer.
them.
Help!
What?
What have I done?
You've done the right thing. Calm down.
Oh
You'll
my
be fine,
God.
Lucifer.
Yo!
What's going on?
Davina!
here?
Why is everyone shouting?
Hello.
My God.
Yeah, why are
Yo!
you yelling?
Can somebody yell? Shouting,
He's
please.
excited.
Because it's Dylan is shouting, that's why.
I'm excited for Lucifer to smash this court case.
You don't
Yay.
stop yelling. I swear to God.
The person
Let's
who even
go!
the person who even got me into all this shit isn't even awake.
Ow.
Oh, what you
That's
mean?
Stop
it,
yelling.
isn't it?
So that's
That's
nice.
it.
Should be fun. Should be really exciting. Yay.
Oh yes. Very exciting.
Yo.
What's
Who's
up,
this?
Isaac?
Yo.
Oh.
Isaac.
Yo!
Yo.
Please stop shouting.
Stop yelling.
Hey, no violence in the courthouse.
Sorry.
Look, I warned him to stop yelling. He didn't.
I'm not shouting.
Peter, you on radio?
Oh, I'm on radio.
No, I just drank a burger.
Huh?
Excuse me?
Huh?
Wells Fargo? What?
I'm on my 12th double black Smirnoff.
Oh,
Congratulations.
good, I guess.
By the way, have you guys experienced a how do I put it? Seeing the devil, seeing Jesus?
What the? No.
Check Birdie.
No.
We're inside.
How about you, Dylan?
What?
Wait, I'm posting it. Ready? Look at it. Go watch it. You like it.
Oh my God. What the fuck?
Oh.
Yeah, right.
Objection, leading question.
Well then.
What the fuck?
Jesus.
Why can't I hear corn?
He's in the courtroom.
Objecting the objection.
Oh, corn. Look at your corn.
Why are there so
Everyone
many
else is going in.
people?
Oh, let me objectify that man.
Lucifer.
I'm just watching to see who
Lucifer,
comes first.
Calm down.
Cool, let's go.
Oh, did I take my glasses off?
Yeah.
Oh.
You'll be just fine, honestly.
Bubbles.
Is it left or right side where I'm sitting?
Left.
Right.
But I'm kind of waiting for Pete. I think Pete's supposed to be coming.
Is Pete on his way? Oh. Oh, hello.
Look at this, Danny.
Yes, it's
Wow. Offensive.
Right.
What are you gonna do? Sue me?
Yeah, we will actually.
Alright, see you
After,
go.
Yeah.
after this court case. Alright.
Oh my, another one comes in.
Why are there so many people? It's not that exciting.
Wait, who's this?
Alfred
Oh, hello,
Winterbottom.
my name's Alfred. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Pleasure to meet you.
Oh, g'day, Alfred. I haven't seen you forever.
Hello, Kai. Oh, I'm too busy
Good
running
luck,
logistics for the
Lucifer,
city.
you got this.
Thanks.
Are you running for mayor?
No, logistics, I said.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you were getting into that. How, is it going
Yes.
well?
Yes, very bloody busy.
Oh, yeah, that's good, mate. You making good
Yes,
money
yes,
from
yes.
it?
Yes, yes. I just need to secure an investment and then we'll be off our feet.
Oh, good stuff, mate. I wish you luck.
Yes, yes. Oh, thank you, Kai. Okay, Joey, the future mayor's assaulting John Goblin. Oh my.
What? That was an accident. It didn't
He
happen.
voted for-
Is everything okay?
Fell
What
on
is
him.
going on? Are you okay, Joey, or are you taking your frustrations out?
vote. Hold up, I'm gonna go vote.
Oh no.
Doyle's in, and he said some idiot wants to sue, so he's
Who?
up the stairs. Doyle.
Yeah,
Brown.
but what did you say after that?
Some idiot wants to sue him.
I'm not an idiot. Just you wait. He doesn't know what his employees have been up to because he's never here.
Oh dear. Who's this? Hello.
It's Scott. Oh,
Who?
Alfred, it's me,
Hello.
Emma.
Oh, wait, what? Okay. Pleasure
Yeah,
to meet
what's
you.
changed?
Now Scott.
Rashish
Oh, I
did-
need to...
Yeah,
Okay, I
Jeffrey
need
slash
to-
Rashish did some really fucked up things to me, so I'm like this now.
What do you mean fucked up things? What? Please specify. I'm more than eager to hear.
I don't think I want to.
Okay, so do I rename you in my contacts to Scott then?
Yeah.
Right, so it's not Emma's here anymore, it's Scott.
You gonna win, Steve?
Well, how have you...
Yes.
Let's go.
There's literally, like, I have an admission of guilt, so I don't really see
Yes.
how this can go
Oh, don't worry,
the wrong
don't
way.
worry, calm.
But then
calm
again-
as
This is
an
gonna be
engine.
great. I cannot wait.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Wait, is that Doyle?
Oh my.
The almighty sterile.
Oh my.
Wow, I'm being
Mexican
civil.
standoff, much.
Right, Charlie?
Yes.
Wow, wow.
There's so many people in there.
Alright.
I guess we should probably go in then.
Yes.
Oh yeah, allegedly, if Doyle Brown wins, he ain't gonna breathe for long. If he wins,
Right.
somehow.
Oh god.
What did he say? I couldn't
If
understand.
Doyle Brown wins, he's not gonna breathe for long.
Breathe for... Oh.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Oh my.
Why is there so many people?
I don't know.
Jesus Christ.
What are you, Lucifer?
That smells like curry.
Hey, that's
What?
a mean stereotype.
I'm sorry.
Lucky, you're lucky it's a coincidence.
Oh my god.
See, I was right though.
Just got lucky.
Lucifer.
Yes, hello.
I'm so drunk. Fuck me.
Alright, let me give you a search right quick.
Oh.
You know what? I
What are
feel
you?
like I
Here, let
look
me
like
make room.
you guys too much, so I need to move.
Maybe.
On it.
Yeah, I'm running for mayor, not a criminal organization.
Order in my court.
Never park that truck, Amity. Come on, sit down.
Oh, you're gonna have to like scooch me over just a little tiny bit. God damn.
Yeah, I'm at court. What's up?
Yeah, there we go.
I'm at the courthouse. Where's your?
Someone punch John. He will go floaty.
No, it's fake. It's all Photoshop.
Oh, yeah, he's hot.
Get in there.
He works. It's alright.
There we go.
Yeah,
Hey, Daly, nice cornrows. You look like basketball player.
Holy.
What?
Okay.
No, it's not.
What?
What?
What? Who's wrong with
Sitting
the-
against that wall is annoying.
Josh Giddy.
Oh, fair enough.
LeBron James.
Daily Dog, Josh Giddy. Toby. Oh no. That's gonna go. Mayday, real quick. Goddamn.
Are you good, Charlie?
I heard Adventure Dues open after this. We can do a new sort of lie down.
Yeah.
Hey, Lucifer.
Hello.
So, in regards, Her Honor has requested $48,000 from each party. That is how much you could gain or lose from this particular court case.
Alright, well, I need an ATM then, because I don't carry $48,000.
I'm sure Her Honor would give you a few minutes. I think there's an ATM across the road. I've got to get the same from Doyle anyway, so I'll quickly tell her.
Yeah.
Has anybody
Hey,
ever
Doyle?
told you you look like a
Us.
modern? Yes,
Yeah,
everyone thinks you look like
Her
modern
Honor has
Johnny
requested
Bravo.
$48,000. This is what
that
you
all?
would be. Well, yeah, that's what you'd be betting. I suppose you could say the word.
Betting?
You win or lose. Yes,
Alright.
that is your wager.
Apparently
You
so.
guys,
Thank you. All right.
Hey Doyle, you need me to be a lawyer?
Alright, Your Honor.
No.
I have.
You
Doyle
could, bro, you got
Brown's,
this.
however, this
Good
is
luck to
just
both
give me,
sides.
like, a few minutes just to
Doyle, can I finally have my manager's role at Tequila Lopez?
Thank you very much.
I don't
I
even.
got Uber Eats coming here in 20 minutes. So.
You're good to go. Just the closest ATM.
Yeah. Alright, back in a sec.
Right, I'll let you out.
Actually, so many people.
Charlie,
way, he's
what are you doing on
running.
the floor?
Just open up the
Let us-
office.
I won!
He's getting.
won!
He's getting his money.
Run away! Run away! Run away! I've seen Amity pick the calluses off of her heel and put him in combos.
Oh,
You're
Everybody
actually so
too.
fucked in the head, eh?
that's sustainable
Alright.
food source. What are you on about?
Right, thank you
Yummy.
very much. Just take a seat.
We open up the upstairs because of the amount of people. So
Did
if you
you
want to
need
go
that
up there,
on
just give me a second.
I do have it on me. This one.
Upstairs, upstairs.
Court's now in session. For those who are unaware, my name is Senior Magistrate Savannah Supreme. You are in my courtroom. Now be mindful that this is a courtroom, not a playground. So any silly business, calling out, hooting, hollering, etc. There are a lot of you today. You will be held in contempt of court, and I'm not afraid to clear this courtroom and do a private session. So if you want to watch, you watch quietly.
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Now, this is a civil matter today. It's a little bit different to our criminal proceedings. We have a plaintiff who is suing the defendant today. We're going to get some information as to what's going on here. So, I believe, Sheriff, confirm if I'm correct, but we have the money from both parties.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, and, okay, so, plaintiff, can I get you to stand up, please, and introduce yourself? What's your name?
My name is Lucifer Lothbrok.
Okay, in what category are you suing the defense under today?
Unfair dismissal from the workplace.
Okay, now, alright, that's fine, write that down. And what's the name of the person you're suing?
Oh, well, Doyle Brown.
Doyle Brown, okay. And do you have any witnesses or evidence you'll be using today in the courtroom?
I have 9 pages of evidence and a 2-page statement from myself on the matter.
Will you be reading that statement, or do you expect me to read it?
I'll be reading it.
Okay, if you need to hand over any physical evidence, my sheriff will come collect that from you.
I also have one for the defendant.
Oh, yes. Oh, you want to give one to the defendant?
Oh, yeah.
You actually don't need to disclose that.
And are you
Alright, just
calling
give it
any
to-
witnesses at all?
No, will be not.
Okay, thank you. So just for the record, I'll just open this. I've got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 documents, which I'm assuming you will be referencing throughout your case.
I will be.
Okay. And for my own, so I know, are you suing today for full compensation, or are you suing for compensation and your job back?
I'll be suing for full compensation, and I'll be going into the reason why I don't want re-employment.
I'm master of the court, okay. Now, alright, I believe that's everything I need from you. Just be mindful, you will have 15 minutes to provide your side. Do you want to just very briefly, a couple of sentences, tell me why you're here today? What is this about? Just a little prelude for me, please. Very brief.
I was fired for having a punch on with a friend whilst working, and I was subsequently told that punching on is a warning, so I should not have been dismissed.
Okay, that's fine. And I believe, I'm assuming here, Mr. Brown is your boss. What is your place, or what was your place of employment?
Uwu Cafe.
Oh, Uwu Cafe. Okay. Write that down. Okay, we'll get back to you in a moment. Defendant, can you go ahead and stand here and introduce yourself, please?
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is Doyle Brown, CEO of Uri Cafe and many other establishments.
Say that again.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Brown. Now, to the best of your knowledge, do you understand what the plaintiff is attempting to do here? Do you understand? Does it make sense that he was an ex-employee, all that jazz?
Yes, I understand the plaintiff's here to waste our time.
Mr. Brown, please. The court.
Sorry.
Now, members of the gallery, if you can't find a seat to sit in, can you go upstairs and stand up there, please? It's been open for you.
I deeply apologize.
Okay. Now, Mr.
Sorry,
Brown.
everyone.
Okay. Mr. Brown, do you are you representing yourself today, or do you have a lawyer?
I'm representing myself, Your Honor.
Okay. And are you bringing any evidence or witnesses to your side?
Yes, Your Honor. Before I address any of the evidence, would we be able to perhaps review whether or not the case is actually one that should go ahead at all and be judged on its
Yeah,
merits?
we'll get to that, Mr. Brown.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. I just thought I'd add that in. Yes, Your Honor, I have a documents case with some photographs, and I have a statutory declaration from one of the UU managers.
Okay, Sheriff Jones, do you mind going ahead and grabbing that from him, please?
It's so boring. I'm gonna play Flappy Bird on my phone.
Thank you. Is that all?
And I'll just get you. No, I'll just get you that step there. There you go, sir.
Cheers. Your Honor, I've got another document wallet, so keep that separate. And I do have a public document.
Wait, Kanye.
Hey, where am I
Which you should have right now.
Okay, thank you, Sheriff. So I've got in my possession here a statutory declaration from Mr. Kai Miller. His occupation is the CEO license holder.
Your Honor, that's a clerical error. Given that they have to share the job title just so that they can do
your job for you. Okay.
Signature. Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay. All right, and you got 1, 2, 3. I got 5 documents from you. 6 documents from you, including a menu.
Yeah, Your Honor, just in case you wanted to visit our establishment later.
They do take away, they deliver.
You can take away, Your Honor.
Okay, delivery might be something you look into, but I'm gonna tell you how to do your job. Now, yes, you will have 15 minutes as well, Mr. Brown. So you may take a seat. Before we begin the case today, as it is an unfair dismissal case, there are some standards of proof we need to make sure are satiated. Now, Sheriff Jones, well, you're the one to book this in with the plaintiff.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you might be able to help me out here. Plaintiff, I need to know here, and defense, feel free to jump in as well. Firstly, was the defendant employed for more than 3 weeks by Ewu Cafe?
Yes, Your Honor.
He was? Okay.
Yeah, Your Honor, I can confirm the employment term for this employee here was from the 1st of December 2023 until the 9th of January 2024.
Okay, and Mr. Morningstar, does that make sense to you?
That's not
Is it
my last
Lothbrok or
name.
Morningstar?
Yeah, it's
I'm so
Lothbrok.
confused. Lothbrok, okay, sorry. Mr. Lothbrok, does that make sense to you?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Now, Mr. Brown, can you confirm if Mr. Lothbrok there has worked at least 12 hours at your business?
Yes, Your Honor, they have.
Okay. Does that make sense to you, Mr. Lothbrok?
Yes, it does.
Okay. And, Sheriff, oh, bye. Okay. Oh, that's awkward. Now, Mr. Lothbrok, do you remember when you, notified sheriffs of your intent? Oh, my lord.
To the best of my recollection, it was the day after.
Can I get a sheriff down here, please?
Let me go! Let me go! Let me go, please.
Sheriff! Do your job! Get
Guys,
this man out of here!
No, I'm helping out. Alright.
Attempt to court, send him to
Don't you
community
fucking
service,
touch me,
28.
Order in my court! Don't touch me, you ginger prick. Fuck off, you ginger prick. I'll fucking kill you. Bang, dickhead. Well, you want some too, yo? You want some too, yo? Don't let this ginger prick touch me.
Objection, Your Honor.
Get him! Tase him!
Sorry, Your Honor, I was dealing with another one downstairs.
Get him out of here! 20x to community service, both of them! My lord. Jesus Christ. Okay, now, Mr. Lothbrok. When did you notify sheriffs of your intent to sue?
Hey, John.
To the best of my recollection, it was the day after, as we knew there was a time frame.
What was the time? What day were you dismissed?
The 9th, but I'm not sure what day that was.
Of January?
Yes.
Okay, and Mr. Brown, does that confirm with you? Was he fired on the 9th?
Yes, Your Honor. That does align with our documentation.
Okay. Well, until I can confirm with the sheriff, we will proceed.
Let's go. Wait, give them.
All right. Hey, we're going to begin with our plaintiff. You will have 15 minutes to convince me that you were unfairly dismissed.
What meeting is it with?
You may take the podium in front of you. In this time, you are welcome to call witnesses if you wish.
Right, thank you. On the 9th of January 2024, I was unfairly dismissed from my employment at Uwu Cafe. In the very early hours of the 9th of January, roughly 3 AM, myself and my friend Charles Morningstar had a punch-on after I was being blamed for the state of the middle train the cafe, housing too many combo boxes. I was also being called a disgrace. Nobody was caught in the crossfire, and the fight was completely self-contained between the both of us, who were best of friends. The police were called by me to help it come to a peaceful end. Nobody was arrested. The other individual on duty with us, Taylor, who I've been informed is Taylor Thought, then took it upon themselves to report us to management. I received a text from Kai Miller later that day explaining they had a report from another worker of us punching on whilst working. See Evidence 1A. It also mentions the tweet I posted saying I'd rather eat at Waller, to be honest, which I don't deny and admit was stupid, which is Evidence 1B. I then tried to explain the situation and reason with him, as you can see in Evidence 2, and was shut down. I was then fired without any pre-warning and told I can reapply in 30 days. It was all done completely over text. Later that day, I was in the back rooms of Uwu, let in by Charles, which he has been punished for, when Amity, a shift supervisor I believe, came and spoke to us. A shouting match later, we ended upstairs with Amity, Joey Ramone and Kai Miller. I was told I had a shitty attitude. I have only ever worked a brief shift with Kai, and not been on shift with Amity or Joey, yet opinions seem to have formed about who I am as a person. I usually just worked with Charles during the graveyard shift. During this conversation, Kai made it known that punching someone is a warning, to which I pointed out that he had wrongfully terminated me by firing me on the spot having no prior record. He did not offer to reinstate my employment, and then Amity mentioned that Kai and themselves had actually had fights in the past, to the point where Kalika had called the police on them. Despite having done the same thing as me, Charles was still employed at the cafe at this time. I pointed out the fact we had done the same thing, but I was being treated differently, and then he was fired too. I've also been informed, on the 14th of January by a new staff member who shall remain anonymous, that Kai had been tackling another staff member that was also
Objection,
working.
Your Honor.
Yes, what's your objection?
That's hearsay.
That's fucked.
Yeah, do you have any credible witnesses that can support that statement, Mr. Lothbrok?
Diana feels good.
Do you have that evidence submitted, though?
I saw it.
Not. I mean, it's kind of hard to. Yeah, no.
And that is overruled. That is a sustained, that objection.
Alright.
We'll strike that from the record. Please continue.
A day later, on the 9th of January, I received another text from Kai. Just wanted to apologise for yesterday and your wrongful firing. He then offered to have a peaceful chat to come up with a resolution a day after shouting in my face. Evidence 3 is a photocopy of the Uwu handbook page from a current staff
Your
member.
Honor.
Yes, what's your objection?
There's no evidence that my employee shouted in his face.
I was there.
Yes.
I'll take it as his testimony, so I'll overrule that one. You may continue, Mr. Lothbrok.
So, Evidence 3 is a photocopy of the Uwu handbook page from a current staff member, which explains the disciplinary action required for various quote-unquote offences. As you can see, you just get a warning. I was angry at the time and pointed out the fact I had seen him like a tweet from someone who had posted a naked video of me with a caption asking people to jump me whenever they see me, as seen in Evidence 4A, which shows said tweet and the only like, which was from Kai. I would just like to point out to the court that this like has since been removed.
Objection, Your Honor, relevant.
What's your objection? What relevance you're referring to?
Well, how is it relevant to the fact that they were fired days earlier?
Can you explain that, Mr. Lothbrok?
just trying to build up the case of any preconceptions, I would say, to the wrongful firing.
We'll keep it to you then. That'll be overruled as well, sustained as well. You may continue.
Can I discuss the reasons why I wouldn't want to be re-employed, or is that just going to get objected?
Objection, Your Honor.
Exhibit
Yeah.
A.
They're speculating as to whether or not I will object.
I mean, you've literally just
so stick
proven
to
my
the
point.
case, please.
Well, I'll just go ahead and wait for Doyle to shout objection. I would now just like to raise awareness to those present of the issues that have arisen since and how I've been treated by my ex-employees and why I will not be accepting any offers of re-employment rather than me just being stubborn. So since then, I've still been visiting Uwu to buy food and speak to friends in the car park, as everyone does. On the 12th of January, I spent a prolonged period of time there shadowing Andrew Cody and his fellow Viper Protection employees. I'd seen Akai a few times and a few of the other workers, and I'd not engaged in conversation, keeping myself to myself. On the 13th of January, 4 days after my termination, I woke up to a text from Kai informing me that a walk-along order, which is in fact a move-along order, had been placed against me and that I will be arrested until the court case is done. Refer to evidence 5. I asked what I'd done to prompt this, and there were 2 points. The fact that I'm suing them, and then the fact that Charles Morningstar, and my cousin, who has absolutely nothing to do with me, had been harassing them. I was told that I'd been harassing staff members and customers earlier that morning when I wasn't even awake. With help from Andrew Cody, we confronted the staff working, Kai Miller and Zoe Nolan, and reached the conclusion that I'd in fact not done anything. A statement from Andrew Cody can be seen in the form of evidence 6 and had been passed on to me as a witness statement. I had already had an acting sergeant from Victoria Police, Johnny Noxons, called down to deal with me, and messages had been sent out via the Uwu staff group chat to notify all the workers of this notice, which is evidence 7, and has been passed on to me by a current staff member. A false statement has been made to Victoria Police in order for them to enforce this order, which had not been officially processed as I did not have the required paperwork. Another text was then sent to the group chat notifying staff of it being revoked. As you can see, quite a toxic environment has formed around me and my position within the cafe. Even if I was offered my job back, I do not feel comfortable being around these people who are in charge, as I've come away feeling quite targeted. That is all, Your Honour.
Okay, does the plaintiff rest?
I do.
You may take a seat.
Woohoo!
Defense, you will be given 15 minutes as well to explain to me why you believe that it is not unfairly dismissed.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Your Honor.
More nonsense.
Now, I'd like to begin by just making it clear to the court that the plaintiff here does not deny that they committed violence on another employee at our premises. The subsequent actions that they bring up, I fail to see how they're relevant to their dismissal. Furthermore, I don't understand why the plaintiff brings up a move-along order that was placed on them when Uwu Cafe is a private business and in fact can deny entry to whoever we like. Given the merits of the case, Your Honor, the evidence I've provided you will show, and I believe the plaintiff has provided in their own testimony and evidence, will show that the plaintiff agrees that they did assault another Uwu employee.
Hell yeah.
The plaintiff also would like to use the Uwu Cafe handbook as reason to state that they should have received a warning, however admits to multiple infractions, including saying that it was stupid to promote a competitor business after they had already been reprimanded for assaulting another employee. Furthermore, Your Honor, the handbook, if the plaintiff has read, states no more than 3 times that it is against the rules to assault or commit a crime on the premises of Uwu Cafe. I also would like to state the handbook is not a legally binding document, and this employee has no legal contract between me and myself other than their payment and their arrival at the business for the work. Therefore, the handbook, I believe, it would not be legally binding in this matter to having to have to receive a warning, as it is a general guide, handbook even, opposed to an actual physical contract. Your Honor, if I could actually call to the plaintiff to the stand, I would actually like to dive further into whether or not the plaintiff understands that the handbook is not a contract.
You may, plaintiff, please take the stand.
So you're just getting lit up?
Mr. Lothbrok,
Sorry, can you say that again?
you can please take the stand. You're being summoned as a witness.
Your Honor, also just
Other side.
would like to make sure that we do revisit the manner in which this court case was raised, if we can.
Now that we do have the sheriff back, we can, yes. You may begin. Oh, actually, swear him in, please, Lele.
Do you promise not to mislead the court under the threat of perjury?
I do.
Okay, defense, you may begin.
Plaintiff, do you have any contract or legally binding document that would suggest that you are deserving of one warning before you're fired from Uber Cafe?
Whilst not legally binding, it does say it in the handbook. And
Yeah,
if-
that's a yes or no question. Your Honor, can you please instruct the plaintiff to answer the question?
Yeah, if you could just answer the question, please, yes or no.
Well, no.
That's all, Your Honor. I'll rest my case. Thank you.
Okay, so the defense rests.
As long as we're going to revisit the raising of the case, I will.
Yes, we will.
Thank
you. Now,
Stop touching me there!
okay, Sheriff, that man in the yellow, can you go ahead and get him and give him 20x of community service? I believe he thinks he really needs attention. And I don't think his parents ever gave it to him when he grew up. So if you could give him some, thank you.
Which one is it, Your Honor?
He's ran outstairs. I believe Sight's going after him now.
Hell yeah, he deserves it, the grub.
Oh. Now, Sheriff Jones, can you confirm with me, please, to the best of your knowledge, what date did Mr. Lothbrok come to you seeking to take this case to court?
Your Honor, best of my recollection, I believe it was 2 days after he was fired.
Okay, so that would place him around the 11th.
Correct.
Okay, defense, did you have something you wanted to touch on with this at all?
Well, Your Honor, I would like to see if there's any evidence or that we could see around that, just given that I was contacted exactly 24 hours ago in regards to this matter.
Your Honor, I could answer that question.
Yes, please, Mr. Jones.
As it was, I was attempting to contact a staff member of UU that was high enough that would be able to give me a court date that could organise this court case. I had a lot of difficulty. It took several days. Several other sheriff officers can confirm this as I was discussing it with them. And then I was told I wasn't told. I saw on Birdie that Mr. Brown was in city doing some mayor work at the front of courthouse. I took the opportunity to contact him directly, of which then I was able to make this court case a reality.
Okay. From what I'm gathering here, it appears that the plaintiff has notified sheriffs of their intent to sue within the 3-day period. Defense,
That's correct.
you understand?
Yeah, I failed to see any evidence provided to that effect other than rough estimates. However, I will accept your verdict.
Yes, you will. Yes, Mr. Lilo.
He came and spoke to me, and I think I tried to track down Mr. Jones because I never.
So you're a bit quiet.
Okay,
I believe he came and saw me within the 24 hours of him being fired, or maybe a couple of hours. So
that's fine. In this case, the court will support the 2 sheriff officers' accounts. So that's fine. We'll move on. Now, both parties have given their side of the story. I'm going to review the evidence briefly. There will be a couple minutes recess, and I will return with the verdict. To the
Fantastic.
sheriffs and any police available, if anyone's being a hoon, you have my permission to give them a contempt of court and up to 20x of community service.
Guilty.
What's a hoon?
Oh.
I'm at the court, bro.
Oh shit. I'm gonna get sell some drugs.
It's almost over. It's the end. They're reviewing evidence.
Yo, what up? Yeah, I know, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Hurry up.
So how do I get out this way?
Fuck
Just
that.
jump off.
I don't want that photo.
Just go down the stairs again.
I'm coming up to beat his ass, bro.
Excuse me?
This is slam dunk
Will I
for
get in
Doyle.
trouble, sir?
Thank you.
Time run.
Get him, Corn.
Oh, fuck him up.
Fighter, you probably get put in cuffs.
God damn.
Well, what for?
And is it worth for acid anyway to the cafe?
What does CFI stand for?
Anything other than what
Can't-
permitted by sheriff.
Can't figure interceptions. Can't figure interceptors.
Can't fuck
Uh-huh. Yep, okay, beautiful.
You shouldn't do that anyway.
Yeah, no, it just.
Hey, I'm a cockroach.
Oh,
That's
that's
not.
a good point.
That's someone from New South Wales too.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Green toad. That's a Queensland dog.
Cause it's a thriller.
What do you mean someone from New South Wales is a cockroach?
Well, fuck the cockroaches. Toads and cockroaches NRL. You know, state of origin.
Delhi.
Facts.
Aren't
Delhi.
cockroaches red though? Wouldn't that be wouldn't that be?
No,
Queensland?
same toad.
Wait, cockroaches are red?
Banjo's got the top.
It's talking about state of
I mean, they're
origin.
more red.
Oh.
Foodie ball. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah, straight people.
Bruh.
That
part. I
Yeah,
find that
Ellie
highly
can't
offensive.
relate.
Funny enough, I am bisexual, but no one gives
Yeah.
a shit.
Hey, Delhi.
Damn.
Okay, trust me.
Delhi, can I have a hug?
No, you've been hugging me all day. Get off me.
Fine.
This is
Oh.
not a time for hugging. Does this look like a preschool to you?
I can't believe you're hugging a snitch.
Wait, who's hugging at preschools?
Hang on a second.
Hey, Del,
I mean,
where's pre-ordering?
You missed it, Gone.
Goddamn.
Please put the flag away if you don't mind.
I'll lick you clean.
Oh, put the flag on. Yeah, my bad, my bad. It's political, right?
Yeah, too political.
Too political.
Fuck, who won?
No one
Rules.
No one.
You
missed it,
mate. You did, Cornelius. What are you talking about?
Gibraltar
Beat
won.
the shit out of that guy on.
Hell
Yeah, of course I did,
Pull
bruh.
the mail. Okay,
No
make
one
the
hits
next
on my girl.
Corn would actually be good, man.
Oi, Kanye,
Can I hit on
swear to
you
God,
without
bruh.
getting punched?
Yeah, no, you're
mate.
fine.
Sure, you thought anyway.
Fuck no, Corn would let us get away if too much abuse the mess.
Changed diet.
Fuck me, Kanye,
Can
get
you
the
just
fuck
stop
out of
being
the way.
so fast?
Stop fucking pushing me, dog.
Better before.
Hey, these.
Mayor was the easiest job ever. I just embezzled money.
Yo.
He called me fat. He called me fat.
Hey, don't worry.
Okay, settle down. Court's now back in session.
Welcome back, Your Honor.
Okay, so I've had some time, obviously, to consider the Bayside's stories there. I've also reviewed the evidence, which I'd like to decompartmentalize right now and refer to. So, in relation to some of the evidence provided by the plaintiff, I would like to firstly condemn the actions of the OB management in relation to their public image. It's not a good look to be locking statuses and posts, etc., on the social media webs in relation to ex-employees. That's really concerning. However, that is not illegal. Just a side note from Courts Victoria. Very, very questionable actions. Now, in relation to the move along order or walk away order or whatever it was referred to in this chat, the defense is correct. It's they do have the right to refuse service to anyone they deem fit. So the court will not take this into context when it comes to deciding on the person who wins this case. Now, I do need to make reference to one piece of evidence which the plaintiff did make mention, which is the handbook from Ewu Cafe. It does clearly state that employees will receive one warning before being fired. However, the defense does clearly raise a point that this is not a legally bound contract. I cannot see a date. I don't even know when this was really taken, to be completely honest. This could be 10 years old for all I know. And I don't see any names attached, whether it be an Ewu manager's name or an employee's name. My suggestion is moving forward, if you're going to be working for somebody, you get a contract and make sure it's signed and dated. And as such, because there is no contract to support the whether or not it was unfair to dismiss the plaintiff today, I rule in favor of the defense, who will be awarded $48,000 from Mr. Lothbrok. My ruling is final. Court is dismissed.
48 grand, fuck yeah.
48,000.
Good on ya.
Anyone want to be my sugar daddy? I have 2K.
Well, that's actually.
Doyle, can you accept my license?
So all of you who work at Uwu better get yourselves a contract. Because you're all
Who's getting
screwed.
48k?
Doyle.
Are you getting 48k?
That people can be terminated.
Nobody has a contract.
I have a contract.
Well,
Are you
congratulations, the
getting
rest of
48K?
us don't. No.
I mean, you should, because you should have gotten one.
No, I don't have one.
You know what? I don't want the money. Return it to the plaintiff.
Who do you want to give it to, sorry?
I didn't think anyone worked
literally.
there
Return it to the
anyway.
plaintiff.
There's never anyone there.
You just want your half back?
I can't hear you, Charles.
Yeah, I have money, yeah.
Oh, hi, Charles.
Can
There,
somebody let me out, please?
There you go. Oh, hang on, Luther.
Can I, excuse
Luther.
me, Charles.
Oh no, we gotta cross.
Lucifer, you're getting your money back.
Person down.
Come back here.
Person down.
Alright, everyone, let's move.
Not me.
It's closing
Yeah,
time.
I know, but there's too many people in the way.
Let people get out
Oh,
there.
there you go.
I'm trying to let
What
people
has
out.
happened to you, Delhi?
He's up, sport. Come on, sport, keep moving.
Alright, champ, calm down.
Thanks.
No
Alright,
worries.
So every single Uwu employee is screwed.
I'm
then,
getting
'cause
everyone to
nobody
leave.
have
You're
a
the one that's been
contract.
hostile,
Yes.
sport.
Oh,
Yes.
come on, Layla.
Seems that
Delhi,
You're the-
you bitch.
You've been.
Oh, you got a minute.
You're the one that starts being a bit loud.
Oh, you know what, Layla?
Get out!
If the contract don't fit, you must quit.
There ain't a contract, champion.
That's why you must quit.
You see these fucking doors,
My
Layla? They're
God.
fucking
Oh, hello.
Alright, if you wanted to have an appointment with me, come up this way.
Ah.
How are you feeling?
Well, I mean, I didn't
did
actually lose
marvellous.
anything. It's just
No, but you did marvellous.
Doyle being Doyle. I wonder how much you paid her.
So now, do you have a contract at all?
Nobody has a contract at Uwu.
Question.
Not a
Who-
single person gets
Not a single
Right,
person
I-
gets a contract.
Hang on.
Yes.
Wait, what?
Yeah, if you
I
work at
did
Did you
not
Uwu,
not hear
You
him?
wanna like go?
I
A
don't have
physical
contract.
piece
Not
of
legally
paper?
binding.
contract either.
Yes.
No. Wait.
If
hang
you
on.
work at
So
Uwu,
those-
you do not have a contract.
Yeah. No. How come I got a contract?
I don't know.
What the fuck?
Can I suggest next time hiring Deli as a lawyer?
No.
If there is
I
a
reckon, no, because I reckon you would have
No,
won
I'll
if
show you something.
yeah, I
What
reckon
is
you
it?
would have
What-
fucking won.
Hang
Yeah,
on, I'm
sorry I did a
trying to-
shit job.
Hey, officer, that guy that you just hit has
Yeah.
a knife trying to stab me.
What do you have to say about the loss?
The what?
What do you have to say about the loss?
Not a lot, apart from... Yeah, just not a lot, to be honest. It's Doyle in it. Of course he was going to win.
You know what you should have done?
What?
You know what you should have done?
What?
You should have just fully sprinted at the judge.
I nearly clocked Doyle around the head, not gonna lie.
No, mate, go do it right now. He's just inside. I'll watch.
Mission accepted.
You and me, You and me, brother, come on. You and me, brother, you got this. I believe in you.
Probably not even gonna be able to get to him. I think he's upstairs somewhere.
No, trust me. We'll scope it out. You ready, bro? Oh, I'm with you on this.
Hang on.
Yeah, you and me, brother. You and me.
But I'd moved on.
What's going on?
Oh, not much, bro. You.
Not much.
Lucifer, that.
Oh, what do you think about
So
the
Joey,
case?
so you've
I think
gone
it's
to Joey and
bullshit.
you didn't hear anything.
Tell me about
We
it.
weren't even given a fucking
No,
contract.
nobody has a contract.
No, it's
Well,
criminal. That's what it is.
That's funny. I've got something here. Just showed Elfie.
I'll be right back.
Let me have a quick look at that.
Alright. Which one was it?
Yo, come on, bro. You got this. You got this shit, bro. You got this. Come on, brother. I believe in you, full faith.
Diana,
Full
did
faith,
you ever
brother.
get a contract?
Pardon?
Do you have a contract for working at Uber?
No one got a contract.
Exactly! This is what I'm saying!
Ridiculous.
No one gets a contract.
Joey,
Hello.
nobody gets a contract working at Uber.
There is a contract, but
So why does
I
nobody
They don't
get
get
one?
handed out.
Get on.
Wait, so how come
So why
people are
does no
getting
one get
contracts
one?
and people are not?
I don't
Yeah.
know. Look, I haven't always been an assistant manager. I've just fucking Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, but I've just
I
lost
know
a-
who we need to fucking ask.
I've just lost
Hey!
I've just lost a court case over something that
Well,
isn't
then.
even a thing.
Like Elfie, can you see that thing that I've given you?
I don't know. Look, I
What?
I
Yes,
did
I
the
can
best I
do it.
could with everything.
There's two
yeah.
other things that I got.
Some bullshit.
I don't think
What thing?
This is so
I only got one.
Lucifer. I'm not the one.
Give me a second. Because no one wants
No,
to
we'll speak to the one
call me
after
and
this.
actually find out.
Yeah.
Oh no, I can talk.
I believe there's still people waiting
No, I've
though,
got
so if
two
you can
documents. One
please be a
dated
bit
the 6th and
respectful.
one dated the
Let
31st.
You're gonna have to wait
Charlie
a
go.
turn.
Yeah.
I don't know
Yeah.
what it is then. Something with
I'll put
Joey's
bullets
name
in
on it.
people.
I want to see this
Yes, yes.
proposal.
Sorry.
I'll put bullets in people.
Yeah, I would not
I'm
take
here.
this, mate.
Yes. I hope you're well, Dylan, and I do.
Storm the
listen.
capital
I'm
and
alright.
shut them.
Good, okay, hang on.
I'm sorry, but your English. You being English right now, I can't understand you.
Mate, just leave me alone. I fell asleep in the middle of that court case.
I believe you.
This poor fucker.
I completely zoned out at one point and you're like, oh, plaintiff. I was like, yeah,
I
what?
know.
533.
I saw it. Like they asked you about going up on the stand, and then you're just like,
Yeah,
oh.
no, I completely
Oh,
zoned out.
next.
God, it's busy out here.
Both parties presented well.
Why am I getting
Apart from
enough. messages
Doyle
off
objected too much.
Doyle?
in my personal
Why the
opinion.
fuck is he messaging me?
What? On what?
Okay.
Is he texting you?
He sent me a text.
Yeah,
that said,
people-
Doyle,
people
I'd
are
like to
outraged
discuss
about
something
that
with you
case.
if you have the time.
Well, yeah, we do have the time.
People are outraged.
Oh yes, I see that.
Doesn't look too good for this Doyle fella, I'll tell you that.
Yes, yes.
Oh, goofball.
Deli just gave me a contract.
But what are the rest of our contracts saying? You should get one when you're employed, not after you're fired.
What was the contract?
Good luck. An Uwu employment contract.
Nobody gets one of these.
Deli got one apparently.
Yeah.
He got two.
Very weird.
It should be up to the management to actually make these contracts before a worker starts working, so then that way there's no hazards or injury.
Should also make sure
they
his
can't claim.
workers aren't harassing people. But no,
Alright, look.
apparently that doesn't mean anything.
You know what? Take it to court.
Oh yeah, I'd love to take that to court
Because that
again.
worked out last time.
Sorry.
I'm gonna ask him how much
Look,
he's paid
what
the
am I meant to
judge.
say?
It's just stupid, man. And amity. Don't even get me started.
Oh.
Do not get me started.
There are just some people who just need to stay out of it and realize that what they've done is wrong compared to what someone else has done.
Well,
She
I
might
still
just
have
need a
her
jar of
money, and
Marmite.
she's pissed off.
Right, Charles?
Maybe. Yeah. Oh, we'll just have to like maybe chop her toes off. I think we've done that one before.
Yeah, maybe I should move on from that, huh?
Nah.
It's an old reliable. It works well.
Cheers, Doyle. Thank you.
Nick.
Are you going, Charles? He wants to win with you anyway.
All right.
No, no, I'll just come with you. It's collateral
Charles
damage.
Morningstar here. What do you need?
Are you fired?
What do you mean? Well, apparently, yeah.
I needed you before the court case, okay?
Well, not my issue. I've been busy. What do you want me to say? I'm a busy man. I got things to do.
All right, Charles. What good are you to me now?
Why are you
shouting? What good are you to me? Your shitty employees fired me.
Hey, it's my office for another week.
Oh,
I'll shout
fuck
as loud as
you.
I goddamn
I wonder
want
if
to.
he's got any Marmite in here.
Fuck you.
I've been insulted.
Get him.
You prick.
Oh
You
my
call me and you
lord.
start shouting, you little bellend. What the fuck's your issue?
Okay.
Run to the sheriff, you little bitch. Get him. Get his ass. Get him. Get him.
Me? Why is he so fast?
Get his ass.
I'm so slow.
Get his ass. Ain't nobody gonna save you, sir.
They're trying to take retribution.
Of course you're in a safe area. Get out of the safe area.
Get out the safe.
Ain't nobody gonna save you.
Crop this motherfucker.
Get him.
The mayor's getting chased down, mate. You might want to go give him a hand. You're under arrest, mate.
That's a shame. It was worth it. More than worth it. Absolute buffoon.
Was it though?
Yes, it was.
Assaulting a government service worker, mate. It's a serious
Yeah.
indictable
Oh,
charge.
I know I'm aware of this.
Okay. What was that about? Not the outcome you're after in court. Is it something in relation to that, or?
I guess you could say so.
Yeah. Alrighty, mate. So Andy King is my name, and obviously you're under arrest today in relation to that assault that's just taken place right in front of me.
You should probably get the guy that's still
Not a-
clocking him around the head.
Sorry?
I said you should probably get the guy that's still clocking him around the head that just chased him inside.
Yeah, the sheriff's got him, sorting him out. Hopefully. Yeah, you're not obliged to say or do anything unless you wish to do so. Okay, anything you say or do may be recorded and used as evidence. Do you understand that?
I do indeed.
Okay. What I'm going to do, mate, is I'm just going to pop you in the back of this police car. I'll have a chat to Mr. Brown, and I will confirm whether or not he does wish to proceed with an assault charge. And then
Sounds
we'll
good
go
to
from
me.
there.
He did deserve it, let's be honest.
Yeah, look, Doyle and I don't see eye to eye on every issue, but assault's never okay, mate. All right. Be right back.
I mean, there can be some exceptions.
I'm gonna starve to death if you don't hurry up. This is the slowest
I'm
walk I've ever
actually-
been on.
Losing consciousness as we speak. It's way too hot in here.
I went back in there and I beat him for a second time.
Good. He ran to safety, so I
Also,
couldn't clock him around the
I
head.
got him to admit that you were
Yeah, he's
were
in there.
never
Yeah. Oh, got him. Thanks, mate.
offered a
problem.
contract.
Exactly, no one gets a
It was,
contract.
No.
Him with that extra hard charge, you know.
Ooh, I like it
Oh,
extra hard.
threatened me with it. Threatened me with the charge.
No threats here, mate. You guys will both be getting the same charge today.
I heard
okay?
his words exactly. Threaten him with the higher
Yeah,
charge.
threaten him with a hard charge.
Yeah, but we don't at Victoria Police. We don't threaten. If we're gonna charge someone
Well, you
with something,
should
we'll
talk to your
charge
little
them.
sheriff pals about threatening people.
Oh, that's not really in my jurisdiction, mate. To be honest.
Whose
Make
jurisdiction is
your
it?
jurisdiction.
Yeah, own it.
It's not quite
own
how
it,
it
Mr.
works.
King. Come on. I now
not
own
quite
the
how it
sheriff
works.
department.
We expect
You're all
better.
fired.
We expect better.
Get good.
Oh, I wouldn't mind owning it. They get plenty of revenue.
Nah, they're a bunch of fools. Bar like one of them.
Start paying me off.
So he admitted that nobody gets a contract, yet he's used that in a court
front
case
of-
to win. Yeah, okay.
In front of an officer, a sheriff, and in front of Joey.
Oh my god. So he won a court case based off me not having a contract that nobody gets anyway. Love that.
That he's just said.
I love that.
asked
He's
him.
a smart man,
Where's
though.
my
He's
cut?"
No,
a smart
he's
man.
not.
No, he's
He's
not.
really not.
He doesn't give a
He
contract
absolutely.
to
Well,
any.
he.
No, he's not.
Yeah, and that's
really not a
right. And
smart
look at how this has resulted. It's
Yeah, but he's
resulted
just lied
in
to a magistrate.
ruling in his favour.
He's just lied to a
Yeah, but-
magistrate
Yeah, he's lied to a
How,
magistrate,
though?
and that's so
because
fucking
he said
illegal. You
that we
can't
get
not give your
a
employees
contract,
contracts.
and he's just admitted that nobody gets contracts. So he's lied to
Yeah.
a magistrate.
Right.
That's perjury. This
It
motherfucker's
actually
going
is.
down.
He's going down again. So good luck to him.
Also, obviously, just a pre-warning. I didn't plan on getting arrested. I've been having some major head issues, so I may just need a couple extra minutes.
He's a bit
that's
slow
alright,
in the
mate.
brain.
No worries.
Thank you.
I mean, he's still wearing the Uwu hoodie after being fired. I think you can see
Hey,
he's a
it's
bit
my
slow.
hoodie.
Holding on to it, eh?
Yeah, it's mine.
They'll
And they
probably
keep having
try
to
and
cry
recover
every
those
time.
uniforms.
They can get fucked. They can get fucked. I'll go out swinging.
Alright, one at a time. I'll come back and grab you in a sec, mate.
Right, so who can I talk to about the fact that he's just lied to a magistrate? Whose job is that? Is it not your job?
His job is what?
No, so who can I talk to about him lying to a magistrate? Or is that not your job?
I don't know. Probably a sheriff or something like.
The lesser spotted sheriff breed.
Alright, you can pick your cell. Which one would you like?
We'll go corner, it's more spacious.
Corner? Is it?
Yeah, look at it.
Okay. I'll
Compared
take
to
your
the
word
rest
for
of
it.
them. Yeah, well, look at it. Compared to the rest of them.
Alright, I'm leaving the handcuffs on for a second. I'm gonna go and grab your mate and then
Alright.
I'll come back. Alright, you can pick a cell, mate, that's not occupied.
This one right here will do. Are you still here?
Yeah, I've been waiting for you.
waiting for you. You got some ID on you, mate?
No, I don't, unfortunately.
You don't? Alright, do you want to remove the gloves? I'm gonna go grab a fingerprint scanner. I'll be right back.
What are we being charged with?
Not a clue. I'm just vibing at the minute. I'm not really bothered. I've had my fun.
Yeah, fair.
So
That is
right,
such
no,
bullshit.
but what we need to do now, we can get him for perjury if he's admitted to it.
Yeah, we can.
Alright.
Bunch of fools.
Scan your fingerprint, mate. We'll see how we go here. Thank you. Do you want to just confirm your full name, please, sir?
My name's Charles Morningstar.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Righty, Mr. Morningstar, I don't believe you've been cautioned yet, so I'm just going to caution you not obliged to say or do anything unless you wish to do so. Anything you say or do may be recorded and used as evidence. Do you understand that?
I do.
Yep. Okay, you both have the right to have the matter heard before a magistrate. Would you like to do so?
Nah, you good.
You're all good. And Lucifer?
He'll pay her off again.
Yeah, I can't be bothered. It's just gonna be the same again, isn't it?
Alright, no worries. So quite simply, just for both of you today, it'll be the same charge, which is assault a government service worker. That's considered.
Do I get a little badge on my record?
Do you get a little badge? What do you mean by that?
Maybe you could make like a pin badge of Doyle's face and just stick it on my record.
Yeah, that's a good shout.
I don't want to be looking at Doyle's face, mate, to be perfectly honest.
I mean, neither, but I need a badge. Come on, at least.
Alright, Mr. Morningstar, I'll give you your charge. Okay, as mentioned, it's a $12,000 fine. Now, serious indictable charges can give you a sentence of up to 150. That being said, time in custody, I'm going to drop it to 100. So you guys will spend your time in jail together. Should be nice.
Well, thank you.
Sorry, I almost just choked on the 48,000. Actually, no. He gave me my money back, so I could just use that to pay that off. That's fine.
Was it 48? Oh, that's right. I forget it checks your wealth now.
Yeah, well, I had to pay 48k for the case, and even though he only gave me my money back, so at least I can pay it off with that. He's just
mate,
paid
just
for
gonna
his
put some
own
bracelets
abuse.
on you. Yep, there you go. Well, joke's on him, I guess. Alright, let's go. And some handcuffs on you, please, sir. Thank you. Alright, let's go.
So listen, right? Whatever anyone tells you about me being violent, you can disprove that. I haven't hit you.
Hmm?
I said what anyone ever tells you about me being violent or whatever stories you hear.
They're correct?
They are not correct. I didn't just hit you, did I?
I?
No, but I didn't hit you.
just assaulted the most highest ranking individual in the city, mate.
Yeah, well that's
So-
fine, but I didn't
That's
start
fine.
swinging at you.
What do you
though.
mean?
I didn't start swinging at you though, did I? No, I didn't.
Jump in, mate. Come around this side, mate. Your buddy's taking the right-hand side.
See, I only abuse people who deserve it. And you've been nice.
Right, and
so
what? And Doyle deserves it because
Yes.
he beat you in
Yes.
court.
No, because he committed perjury.
He
He's
also
admitted to
called me
perjury.
into that office and then started screaming at me because I wasn't there when he needed me. Fuck that guy.
Sounds like something he'd do.
So fuck him. I'm not having that.
Yeah, he did just start screaming at you, so he deserved every little bit. of it.
No need for that.
Yeah, mate. Where are ya? Alright, so am I. Is that you running through the car park?
Run him over. Run him over.
If that's me in the white shirt and the vest, then yeah, that will be me.
Jump in my highway car that's parked right in front of you.
Alright, so.
Hey, mate. How are ya?
Hey, good.
Got 2 in custody, mate. Just taking them down to the prison. My call sign is traffic 607. Do you know how to log into the MDT?
There we are.
Yep,
I got
beautiful.
a nasty pong when this guy got in the car.
Well, that's not very nice.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, but is he wrong? It smells like Lynx Africa.
Lynx Africa, I don't mind it.
I'm not a fan
So,
personally.
what did you guys two
We
get
punched the
into?
mayor.
They both assaulted the mayor of Melbourne, mate.
Oh, they're getting 150?
Well, they've been in custody for a fair amount of time, so they're getting 100.
Yeah.
Who's this little Jobsworth trying to give us 150?
I mean, he's not
That's
wrong
not
though,
mate.
because we can give up to 150 for a serious indictables.
Isn't 150 the minimum?
No, maximum.
Maximum.
Pretty sure it's the minimum.
serious.
But someone else told me. But it's not serious.
Do you want to shut up?
I'm so confused.
Yeah, maximum 150 unless it's a sergeant or above giving approval.
Alright, well thanks for not being high ranking. Appreciate it.
No worries. The sergeants or above can give you up to 250 for the same offence.
There's never any
Or
sergeants
magistrates
around
even
anyway.
longer. There's a few around at the moment if you want me to give them a call.
You know what? I think I'll pass, thank you. Thank you for the
Okay,
kind offer
alright,
though.
no worries.
It's much appreciated.
That's alright, no worries, all good.
Officer, I'm hungry and I need to eat.
That's
Yep.
a you issue, pal.
I'm hungry
Yeah,
and I need
hungry
to
out.
eat.
That's what would you like us to
Mate,
do
I
about
thought
that?
you would have had something to eat on your little trip.
I thought she's a bit slow.
Not very nice, guys. Not very nice.
There should be some ramen, mate. There's a fair few people inside at the moment, I
Oh,
believe.
God.
So, there should be some ramen in there. Well, there might be. I don't know.
Bet none of them punched the mayor though, did they?
Nah.
Well, you can brag about that if you... Oh.
Yeah, I will be, don't worry.
Highway Patrol.
Oh, not Mark.
Hello.
He's corrupt.
Ah, it's Lucifer.
He's corrupt. I told him
the
an
fuck's he
officer.
laughing
I
at?
told an officer beat
Laughing at
me.
you, mate.
No,
Let me
listen,
have these
hear me
fucking
out. Hear me
cups.
out.
Lucifer!
I told him an officer beat me, and he just went, "Not my issue."
Why'd you vote for?
How are you, mate?
Huh?
So, these two
Lila,
gentlemen,
come over
Mr.
here.
Corrections, these two gentlemen
Yeah.
are in custody for assaulting the mayor of Melbourne.
Go over here.
Okay, and
Yo.